Alright guys, how's it going? Who are you?
Ramrod.
Got Ramrod here. We're gonna do a little experiment. I know you're not supposed to do this, but it could be fun. And don't worry, what do we have nearby just in case?
Fire extinguisher.
That's right, we're safety first. Got the glasses, long sleeve protective clothing. And what we're gonna do is I just put a new battery in my iPhone. So we have this lovely old battery. And we're gonna run it through the end mill on the milling machine and see what happens. Might do nothing, might explode. I don't really know. So, if I can get this to sit here, we'll take a little cut and see what happens. Okay, ready? Ready, Ramrod? You can come closer than that.
No.
No? Whoa, spark! I see a spark. It smells stinky. This is probably really bad for health and environment. Well, I saw some sparks and it smells bad. But nothing really crazy happened.
Nope.
Alright. So you know what that means. Let's go deeper. Whoa. Sparks. Smoke. Oh boy. Whoa. It's on fire. Oh, it stinks. Good thing, good thing Mom's not home. It's okay, it's going out already. Wow. It didn't like that, did it?
Let's not go deeper. It did something.
Yeah, I think we better open a window. Yucky. Well, stay below the smoke. Stay below the smoke. Alright, well, we'll let the smoke clear out and then we'll investigate what happened. Alright, I'm gonna hold my breath so I don't get killed by this smoke. I'm guessing it's already done, but let's go a little deeper. It's just like, there's nothing left in it. Ugh, it stinks. Don't do this at home, it smells really bad. Alright, well, that's all that's left of it. So, I think we'll just let it cool here. Let the smoke clear. And call it a day. What do you think, Ramrod?
Cool.
Stinky?
Yep.
Yeah. Alright. Peace out.